1 frozen pizza. Ice. 1 pound of ground turkey. Another pound of lean ground turkey. Lean ground turkey. 2 more pounds. Healthy choice meal. Healthy choice meal. Frozen, stuck to the ground. Oh no. Oops. Vegetables.
No vegetables.
No vegetables. Frozen, stuck to the ground,
Yay,
which means melted juices. Fancy horseradish bacon cheese. Oh, cheese. Open. Cheese. It was on sale. Cheese.
No, okay, you gotta open it.
You have to open it?
I am.
Hold the white part, not the orange part. Thank you. More cheese. Okay. This came from the fridge, and can you help me rip it, Lydia?
Okay. Rip it over.
We tried to save it. We have a pound of Kaneka. We have breakfast sausages from Sam's.
That's a lot. Oh, I didn't expect it to have
Chicken. I was gonna make fancy pasta.
That made me snap.
Chicken. Hold your bag. A Costco size cauliflower
Sorry.
rice.
This car's sick.
4-pack. Salmon.
No. Yeah.
Peas. Special with pink icing toaster strudels. Lydia, where's your bag?
Oh, it's right
2 pounds of Kaneka. Lydia, where's your bag? Tater tots.
No. Yes. Wait, you don't want to do this?
Pumpkin cream cheese we were saving for later.
I think the season's so long.
More cauliflower rice.
Yay.
Go-Gurts. These were our lunchbox ice packs. And half a thing of cookie dough ice. Cookie dough.
Do I get a refund for all the things I bought?
No. If only life worked that way. Okay, here we go. Pot pie. Oh, the worst.
I'll eat it.
My chicken burgers.
Nope.
Turkey burgers and a pound of lean ground beef. The juices have melted and frozen together.
You probably are the only one who eats.
A whole bag of vegetable.
There's no space. There's no space in the world.
Malachi, can you open your bag?
Yeah, mine's done. I am.
Okay. Oh, our strawberries and our peach sludge.
Oh,
Oh, our homemade focaccia bread. Open. And a hot pocket. Hold this, please.
I didn't mind that.
And now we have more ice.
Whoa, that's a big clump.
And our mini tacos from Sam's.
No.
You liked
all the
the-
good stuff. I like tacos.
They're going in the trash.
No.
Broccoli. Oh, it's a solid mess. I can't get it out.
Can I try?
Brown rice.
Yes. Yay.
Toaster strudel. Toaster strudel. Toaster strudel. Another pound of Kaneka.
I want cherry.
And we have turkey. Look how that froze.
Throw it away before I
Turkey
can look at it
patty.
anymore. It looks like a brain.
Open.
That's a way different.
Ooh, look, the pot pie melted, came out of the box, and then when the power came back on, it refroze. Gross. Okay. Chicken burger. Bagels.
Wait, what flavor? What flavor?
Raw chicken. Gross. Raw chicken. Gross. The fancy ground beef. 93%.
Looks like it got so hot in here that some of this cooked.
Another pot pie. more cheese. And then, oh, more chicken. Ouch, chicken.
Chicken ice.
Oh, no, these are the croissants from
No.
Sam's Croissant. And here's the gross part. Are you ready? That's raw chicken juice down there.
Ew.
Gross. Okay, hold it.
Raw chicken juice bread. Anyone want some?
And we're done.